Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about Cryptocom CRO as well as I want to take a look at how BITBOY Crypto is having some worrisome news coming out, and I'll take a look at that. There's some announcement made by his channel and we're going to see what that means for the crypto space. So without further ado, we're at 11,000 subscribers. When we reach 25,000 subscribers, we're giving away a loaded lion NFT. So subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. So yesterday there was a weird, strange announcement made, but today, from the BITBOY Crypto Twitter, this came out. Yesterday, BJ Investment Holdings, the parent company of Hit Network, took decisive legal action in removing Ben Armstrong from the company, and specifically the BITBOY Crypto brand. The difficult decision is a culmination of prolonged effort to help Ben during his relapse into substance abuse, as well as reconcile the emotional, physical, and financial damage he has done to the employees of Hit Network and the BITBOY crypto community. This is pretty huge, guys. They also said, the Bit Squad deserves better. We are going to get through this together. We wish him the best and regret that it has come to this and are hopeful for the future of BITBOY crypto. I am waiting for more news to come out about this because I don't think that Ben Armstrong is for this. Until I see him come out and say that he is agreeing with this, this is ridiculous, guys. Sure, if he may be impacting his company in a poor way, but from the perspective of a businessman like myself, I think that this is wrong. I mean, I think that these people, probably TJ, are somewhat taking this company away from BITBOY. I don't know what their legal agreements are, if they even have any, but I do think that it is a silly decision for them to basically remove BITBOY Crypto from the brand called BITBOY Crypto. Pretty incredible stuff, guys. Really curious to see how this plays out. There was a live stream today, this announcement, that I wanted to talk about a little bit. But they basically just, this is basically a summary of what they said. They said they're not going to bash BITBOY, they're not going to bash Ben, but that he's gone. He's gone and he's not going to be part of it anymore, which is very, very intriguing. But to pivot to Crypto.com CRO right after that, which is a potentially put your tinfoil hats on, guys. But for a long, long time, a lot of these major crypto influencers were very tiptoeing around Crypto.com and the Cronos ecosystem. They didn't want to talk about it. I would even send super chats to them, asking them what their thoughts were. They would give me one-word answers like, "Oh, I've heard of him. I don't own any CRO," and that was that. Very, very peculiar. But the day that this happens, listen to this. Listen to this, guys. The day that this happens.
Up and Cronos. Now, Nick, I have a prediction about Cronos.
Yep.
What would you say about Crypto.com? First thing you think about Crypto.com, what is Crypto.com?
Crypto.com is very good at marketing.
You know,
first off, I have to pause it before they even finish. It's incredible how bullish they're already talking about Crypto.com Cronos. The day that BITBOY's gone, and I'm talking tinfoil hats on here, guys. Maybe there was some politics about what coins the employees were allowed to talk about on the BITBOY Crypto Show, and maybe now those restrictions and guidelines have been lifted because maybe BITBOY didn't want to talk about CRO because he wasn't getting paid by Crypto.com. Let's finish this.
But my first thought is it's a great domain. So you got you,
Yes.
It's very good at marketing. You got me, it's a great domain. What is retail going to gravitate towards in about 18 months?
Crypto.com.
Crypto.com. So that is one I'm going to keep an eye out on. The exchange tokens were going to be a huge narrative. I think it was around 22, the middle, the third quarter of 22. Well, a couple things kind of dashed that narrative.
It's incredible how bullish they're talking on the biggest crypto channel in the world right now. I mean, it's very, very incredible to see just the completely 180, the opposite of the polarity, talking about how bullish they are on exchange coins, how bullish they are on Crypto.com, how in 18 months they think it's going to be massive. Really interesting stuff, guys. Really interesting stuff. Over on the overall crypto market, we are trading sideways at about 26,000. Nothing much has been happening since yesterday. Bitcoin dominance level just down barely at 48.34%. When you exclude stablecoins, we're sitting at about 50.34%. I expect more chop. I've been talking about that. The CRO price, though, had a nice bounce off the bottom, maybe from that little BITBOY Crypto shout out. making people hop on in on the train, I do think that this is going to be short-lived, to be honest with you guys. I think that it will probably break back down here. But if the news starts to shift a little bit and Bitcoin starts to rally a little bit, then I don't think we're going to close out these wicks here at 5 cents. But if we don't, if the volume continues to dry up, then we're probably going to come back down and make our way back down to this 5.5 cent level. 5 cent level even, I should say. But very, very intriguing stuff, guys. I really like to see a lot of other influencers give Crypto.com, Crocoin, the stage that it really deserves. I mean, they have done a ton for this space. They've brought on hundreds of millions of users to the crypto space. And they're going after reaching 1 billion users, guys. Very, very good stuff. Over on Bitcoin, we are trading to the side, like I said. I mean, look at this volume. This is ridiculous. There is no volume at all here. We're bouncing off of this once support and turning into resistance here. We are just chopping on it and chopping on it at 26,300. I expect a breakdown to the level of about 25,300, but until then, there's a chance that we test this and come up. The more you test a resistance level, usually the more likelihood you are to break above it, but I do expect more bearish price action, guys. I'm not trying to be a perma bear or anything like that. I'm just telling you what I see. I'm giving you my opinion on where I think we're headed here. We had a good 6 months of green price action. In the year of accumulation leading into the Bitcoin halving, you usually have about 6 months of green and 6 months of red and to the side. Not saying we're going to come down to 19,000, but I do expect some chop to the downside leading into the Bitcoin halving. Guys, if you stuck around this far, please like this video, subscribe to the channel. Also, please follow me on 333 Blacksea over on Twitter. I'm really active on there. Almost at 2,400 followers. Let's see if we can get that today. It would be awesome. And also, please consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video or to our homepage. Click the join button. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I. And we're going to keep giving you guys this daily content every single day. So subscribe now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.